Hello, welcome to this training on record filling, draping and using tools for shaping nails. By the end of this training, you'll be able to fill the record card, drape a client for manicure or pedicure and effectively use the tools and equipments for shaping nails. Before getting started with manicure treatment for a client, make sure to observe the nails. You'll need to observe whether the nails are healthy or unhealthy. Once you observe, do share your finding with the client if the client has any nail disease, infections or disorder so that the client can make up their mind to go for the treatment. You should never provide nail services to the clients with bacterial or fungal infections. Check if the client has diabetes and have permission from the general physician to do manicure and pedicure. Also, check if the client is allergic to the nail enamel, oil or the other materials used in the procedure. Now, record the findings in a client record card based on your observation. After the pre-treatment procedure, you need to prepare the client for the procedure. While you prepare the client, make them feel comfortable. Encourage the client to ask questions without hesitation. Before starting the procedure, position the client comfortable. Take care of the client's mobility, comfort and privacy. Protect the client's clothes with towels and disposable sheet or clothing. Remove all the jewelry from the area to be treated. Now that you have filled the records and draped the client, let's get familiar with all the various tools and equipments used for shaping of nails.
Client chair, manicure stool, manicure table, manicure tray, manicure bowl, infrared lamp, hot plate, medium-size bowl, electric manicure kit, orange wood stick, emery board, magnifying glass, cuticle pusher, cuticle clipper, nail brush, nail scissors, nail buffer, spatula, UV LED lamp. Materials: nail varnish remover, cuticle oil or cream, whitening pencil, nail varnish, cuticle remover, nail bleachers, nail strengthener, hand lotion and cream, top coat, base coat, liquid hand wash, H2O2, manicure shampoo, cotton, vegetable oil, sea salt, antiseptic solution, scrub, pack.
Now, let's look at the tools and materials used for shaping of nails. Acetone is used to remove nail polish. Antiseptic is used to prevent the multiplication of microorganisms for sanitizing hands before treatment and soaking the client's hands. Base coat is a colorless liquid applied on the nail before applying colored nail polish. It prevents staining of the nail plate and also allows the nail polish to readily adhere to the nail surface. Some base coats have nail strengtheners in them. Cuticle cream is used to make the cuticle soft so that they can be pushed back without causing damage or discomfort. Cuticle oil is a special oil used to soften and lubricate cuticle around the fingernails. Cuticle remover is a solution mixed with an alkaline, glycerin and water. It is used to soften and remove dead cuticles from around the nail. It also works by breaking down the cuticle so that it can be scraped away gently from the nail plate with a cuticle knife. Cuticle exfoliant is a gentle grainy substance used after cuticle trimmer to help sweep away dull dead cells to leave the nails and keep the cuticles soft, smooth and tidied up. Hand creams are used to soften the skin on the hands and cuticles. It provides a slip for massage. This means that the therapist's hands glide smoothly over skin without causing friction and discomfort. Exfoliant is used to remove dead skin cells, cleanse the skin, conditions, soften and refresh the skin. It is also called a scrub. Hygienic liquid soap is used with warm water to soak hands in preparation for pushing back cuticles. Nail hardener or strengthener are available in many different types and used for strengthening damaged and brittle nails, condition and protect against breaking, splitting and peeling. Assorted colors of nail polish, varnish, paint or nail color are used on the nail plate to beautify and protect nails are available to choose from. Nail white pencil is used to whiten free edge which has become discolored. You can use this to create a French manicure. You can also use nail bleach to whiten stained nails. Top coat is a colorless liquid sealer applied over polish to protect the polish. It prevents chipping and imparts a high gloss. Different types of nail polish dryers are used to speed up drying process. Examples include quick dry sprays, a liquid drop directly on the nail polish, top drying coats, and ultraviolet lamps. Hydrogen peroxide is known to lighten yellow nails and bring them back to their natural healthy state. Simply rub a soaked cotton ball over your nails and see the difference. It also helps preventing any formation of nail fungus. Now that you have reached the end of the module, you now know how to fill a report, how to drape a client, and how to use the tools and materials used for shaping of nails. Thank you.